Consumer product companies constantly launch new products to meet consumer preferences, to take advantage of market trends, or due to competitive pressures. This can be challenging without using the right data to plan. New Product Introduction Demand Planning, or NPI, involves forecasting demand for a new product before it's launched using methods like analyzing similar products, market research, and potentially AI-powered tools to ensure accurate planning for manufacturing and sales. Firstshift's AI-powered NPI demand planning solution helps to plan for different use cases like new categories, new products in existing categories, product line extensions, and product replacements. Our solution leverages historical demand and forecasts of existing like products, third-party data including market data on competition, and category-level sales data. This approach includes multiple algorithmic methods like machine learning to handle large data sets and generate accurate NPI forecasts. Additionally, we employ a collaborative workflow to develop a consensus NPI forecast. Firstshift's solution supports modeling of demand, ramp-up and ramp-down scenarios to ensure smooth transitions. Once you have entered your parameters and you approve the NPI plan, it can be published to the demand plan. Visit firstshift.ai to learn more and schedule a demo to see it in action.